Kaya nga, kakilala kami sa Drake. Same college. Tapos, isang araw, hinaya ko siya sa magkape para lang first move ba. And then, pumayag naman.
All night I could not sleep, wondering who she was and what
So, Starbucks.
said.
Kape-kape lang. Tapos,
Troubled mind,
sabi niya,
and
ano
I'm
to, anong,
afraid
parang may balak ka ata, ano ba?
that I'll never see that
Instead na number yung kukunin ko, yung Facebook niya para at least kita lahat, ano?
Big brains, ha?
There's one guy boys na nagsabi na, let's go outside and buy some coffee sa Starbucks. And then it turned out it's him pala. Uwian na rin after school. He asked for my Facebook instead of my number. Photographer din kasi siya eh. So, ang sabi niya may pictorial, gano'n. Hindi, una, pictorial muna. And then, parang meron dong isang place, sabi niya, tumalikod lang daw ako. And then, tingin-tingin daw ako sa mga trees, ganyan. And then, nung si-set up lang daw niya yung camera. And then, nung sinabi niya, sige, you turn around. Pag turn around ko, nakaluhod na siya, napinterview. And then, ayun na, nag-speech na siya na, will you marry me? Ayun.
Dapat po natin alalahanin kung gayon na ang pag-aasawa ay itinatag ng ating Panginoon Diyos sa kapakinabangan at kaligayahan ng mga taong kanyang minahal.
When you looked me in the eyes and you said it, and your face can say it all, so I know you meant it. And if I lose my way, well I know where to find you. Will I know where to find you?
I remember one time at the Izal, you almost gave up on love. You would always tell me you might not find anyone that will love you and accept you for who you are. I would always tell you, don't give up, don't rush, don't look for love, because someone out there will love you and accept you just the way you are. Kuya JP, I can tell how much you love Ate Izal so much that you would do anything for her. And I know Ate Izal would do the same thing for you.
After 10 years.
Ang masasabi ko lang, hindi kami tatagal ng mama mo ng ganito kung hindi kami nagmamahalan. Sana, magmahala kayo palagi. Huwag kayong mag-aaway. Ilagay niyo sa Diyos sa inyong gitna ang Diyos para hindi kayo mahiwalay ng inyong landas.
Matigas talaga ang ulo ko. But despite of everything, you're always been there for me. You sacrificed everything for me. Wala ako dito kundi dahil sa'yo. Nag-aaway man tayo palagi. Pero mahal na mahal kita, Mama.
Through wind and wave I'm whispering, are you listening?
Pinapagsasama ng Diyos ang lalaki at ang babae upang maging isang laman. Isang laman lamang sa Panginoon